Hi there, welcome to this short video demonstration of split-ship functionality in Printshop 2.0 Acumatica plugin. This Printshop 2.0 feature will be of immense time saver for assigning multi-ship locations for a single line item and split them into multi-line within a sales order based on the ship locations. You don't need to create different sales orders for different ship to addresses. In today's short video, I will walk through how to enable multi-ship functionality, how to split sales order line item into multi-lines and assign different ship to locations for the customer, and exporting sales order multi-ship information with Starship. And the split-ship functionality has multiple shipments in single sales order. It has split ship on sales order details to multiple locations. It also calculates at the line level the taxes that are required if you have a integration with Avalara. It also calculates freight at the line level if you have integration with different carriers like Starship. And we do also have process screens to export the data from Acumatica to Starship for shipment information and ship the item location details. Now let me dive into Acumatica, and once you deploy Printshop 2.0 and activate the plugin, you will have these options and you'll find enable split ship checkbox in the Printshop settings. So once you enable this, you will notice that a split ship button gets enabled in the sales order document, and I have a sample sales order created already for this demonstration purpose for ABC Capital Ventures, and they do have different locations to which they usually ask to deliver. So it's a main warehouse and another warehouse in New York and Virginia. So I've already split one line item of navy blue, which was ordered for 100 quantity, and they requested to ship 50 to New York, 25 to Virginia, and 25 to their main location. So I've already split, and you can notice that our Printshop split ship functionality has these checkboxes enabled and also allows you to select the ship via codes for each line items. So it was initially a single line with 100 quantity, and you can see that I've split into different lines along with the ship locations to which it is to be delivered. Likewise, now let me walk you through the other line item which I have for 100 quantity, and I will split this into 30, 30 and 40 to different locations. So I'll click on split shipment button, and your system will allow you to select the line item. By default, whatever the line item you highlighted in the sales order, it will pick up here on the header. You can see the original order quantity is displayed. Now I will say send 30 to New York, so I will select the location and the ship via through which I need to ship the items. So overnight, and another line I will split another, say 35, and you can notice the system is calculating automatically and retaining the balance in the main ship to location of the customer. Right now, I'm going to take this 35 and I'll move it to VA, that is Virginia, and I will say UPS ground. So you can see the balance of 35 will be retained in the main location to which it is to be shipped to. And you also see functionality. Say, for example, a customer calls and you don't have the location created. You don't need to go into customer profile to add additional shipping locations. You could use this functionality of create shipping location, which will enable to pull up the customer profile automatically, the location profile, where you can enter the details and save. And upon saving the information, the system will create its location and it will allow you to select that specific location, and you could split it from here. Now, if you have say tens and hundreds of locations from your customer, and he orders, the company orders with you, say in large quantity, and they will send you a spreadsheet saying the item number, quantity, and the ship to location. So you could use the load record functionality that we have provided in this Split-Ship screen and upload the spreadsheet, where you can eliminate entering the data by clicking on plus sign and manually adding them individually into the document. So you could also use upload function, but you need to ensure that it is in the specific format and upload the data into the screen. And once that is done, system will calculate the entire quantity split and what is the balance, and click on OK. So then system will start creating those line items. So you can see that all additional 2 line items got created, and also you can identify that this specific split ship was done on this main line item. So by this way, it immensely helps the user to either create manually and add the different locations and split the quantities, or upload the spreadsheet data if it is a large quantity and the list is provided by the customer, and split those within no time. So it's a very immense help to the users if you have huge number of split lines that you need to create, and it helps in reducing the data entry time. And also, as I said, we do also have integrations with shipping service provider, to whom you could export the data, and they can import, because the data that is exported through this process screen is always in the format that is required by the Starship third-party integrator. So you could export the file with the date, and they could import them and create shipment labels for you. So by that way, we do also have a export Printship address details, and it will load the data here. Once you click on prepare, it will load the data, prepare the data, and you could export them into a spreadsheet which is compatible with Starship third-party service provider, and it will be easier for them to import the data and provide you with the labels. So this covers the Split-Ship functionality of Printshop 2.0. And for a detailed demonstration, we could schedule a call and walk through the details later. Thank you.